Oh, okay, it's good. Hi, good morning. Well, actually, yeah, good morning. It's 11:30. We're in the car, and we're driving to the beach today. So, no.
What?
What's happening? I don't know. Sorry. I just got really distracted by a giant tractor trailer. Okay, anyway, so, what's up, Tracy?
Hi, we're going to the beach.
Yep. We're going.
We've been driving forever.
Yeah.
It's far away.
We're gonna get there in like 15 minutes, though, I think. So, that's good.
Very good.
Emily's sleepy because she didn't sleep too well last night, and she got up early, but that's okay.
Get up early.
That's okay.
She did not get up early. 10 o'clock is not early.
I didn't get up at 10.
9 o'clock is not early.
I got up at 8:30, actually.
You did?
Yes, I got up at 8:30.
My God. It's a miracle. This one never sleeps past. She never gets up before 9.
Hey, I'm making up for last year when I had to wake up at 5:30 every day.
Yeah, that's true.
Ooh, super.
I woke up at 8. I can't sleep past 8:30 anymore. It's depressing. No.
That's really interesting.
And I stayed up till like 12:30.
Yep.
Might not be late for some people. Late for me. Well, no, not really.
Well, 12:30 is tomorrow, so that's pretty late. Hi. Someone's looking at me. Yeah, that guy.
Oh. Me, off of you.
Hi. Say hi.
Say hi to the internet. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Except for not. Well, yeah. Oh. I'm tired. Okay. Hood milk. Drink your milk and your calcium deposits will fill up and
You'll be big and strong like the Red Sox.
oh look, they're a partner of the Red Sox. That's cool. I didn't know that. Oh, I'm always covering the camera with my hand. Sorry, this is like the 5th time I've done this. Okay. Nice. So, what is your plan for the beach today? Are you excited? Are you nervous? Are you
so excited.
elated?
I wanna go in the water.
Me too.
I wanna go in the water. You're
Except for
over here.
oh no, I have you.
There we go. Better. I'm excited. I love beach. I haven't been to the beach in like a month.
It's not as hot as it was the last time I went to the beach when like I couldn't stay out of the water. But
It's 82 degrees.
yeah, it's hot enough. It'll be comfortable. We won't like worry about burning after like 10 minutes out in the sun. So that's good. Okay, stopping. Good song.
So Emily decided to brush my hair for me. I don't know why.
It was a tangly mess.
Oh yeah, well we had the windows open earlier.
Yeah. Plus also, you can't just shower and not even brush your hair and jump out of the house messy.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, I'm driving now.
Vlogging and hairbrushing and driving. So Tracy's Jam just came on.
Yeah, I love this song.
Sing it, Tracy.
What you don't understand is I catch a grenade for you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we're done? Oh, we're having fun. Oh, it's fun. Okay.
So we made it to the beach. Yay! Woohoo! Say hi, Emily. It's fun. The water is freezing now, but I figured we tan. It's fun. And I can't see the sun. Oh, there we go. Now you can't see my eyes, but it helps me. Yeah. You got anything to add to that, Peach Face?
Having a good time. Yeah. Summer would never end.
I second that. Hell yeah. Update, we're still on the beach. We just got out of the water, so you wet here. And behind me, where there's a giant empty space, there used to be a huge campground. Lots of kids, they left. Now it's quieter. Got anything to add? Doesn't she look so cute in her bathing suit? And her towel.
This is my baby.
No water except for in the fabulous. It's a great day. Stuffed up.
Hey guys, we're off the beach. We're at Friendly's. See Friendly's. Yeah. And because we're starving, it's like 5:30. Oh, my face looks red. I don't want to be sunburned. You don't look sunburned to me. I think it's just the lighting. Hopefully it's just the lighting. The beach was really fun. Right now we're hungry, so we're getting Friendly's. How's your root beer? Deliciousness. Yay. So good. So what very exciting discovery did we just make? Friendly's has Wi-Fi. So exciting. Ooh, someone's texting me. So exciting.
Ooh, look, Facebook and Friendly. So, question of the day. What'd you get?
A chicken wrappy thing, but I'm picking it apart because that's what I do with my sandwiches.
Well, I got the chicken caprese sandwich.
It's really good. Like, I've never tried it before. I usually get like burgers or, not burgers, like chicken fingers when I come to Friendly's, but this is good. And the fries are good too. Yeah.
Dance, woman! Dance! It's our song! We were just singing it. Oh, you lost it. We were literally singing that song walking to the car. Dance! You can't really see it, but there's a deer right about there behind the trees. It's really hard to see, but it's so cool. Yeah, we live in the woods, and I got sunburned at the beach. Sad face on my back. Yeah, I got sunburned at the beach. It's very. Now we're watching So You Think We Can Dance, and Emily's poking me. I'm not filming you.